Before you begin, you need to know the appropriate height for your straps, so you can keep your body in proper alignment. To find the right height, walk to the top handle and measure it against your head. You want the handle to be in line with your hairline, where your hair and your forehead meet. It's okay if you need to come up on your toes. This is too low. You will bump your head when you go upside down. And this is too high. You will get tension in your shoulders and it will be hard for you to find your seat. Your hairline is the right height. When you hang up your sling, it is important to remember that it is attached at the same place as your straps. Make sure your fabric is not twisted. And make sure that the carabiners are closed. It's a good habit to pull on the sling pretty hard to make sure everything is in place. You cannot attach the sling to the strap. The sling must be attached to the ropes. Clips come down. Pull on the fabric to make sure it hasn't twisted. The sling should now be in line with your hips.